Y'all see that? Y'all see my eyebrows ain't so bushy no more? Goddamn. Hey guys, it's your girl here, Kay, back at it again with another YouTube video. Today, as you can see from the title down below, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do your eyebrows at home. And I'm making this video because I know a lot of y'all on quarantine, your eyebrow lady is closed, and your eyebrows are starting to look like mine. And I'm just trying to show y'all how to fix that. You know, you don't want to be walking around, even though you're in your house, not really doing nothing, but you don't want to be walking around with some caterpillars across your face, you know. So if you want to know how to fix your eyebrows, then keep watching. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna trim a little bit of excess hair on your eyebrows so that you have a little bit more defined look, you know. Okay girl, so you're just gonna brush up that eyebrow, then you're gonna go in with a scissors and straighten that out on top. Yes, snip, snip, snip precisely, of course, and brush to the side, snip on the side, and then after that, you're just gonna do it to the next side. Okay, so you get the Vaseline and you get your Q-tip, and the Q-tip I got is the precision tip one because I feel like that's just better for what we're doing right now. Okay, so now we're just gonna go in with that Vaseline and put that Vaseline on top of the hair that you want to keep, of course, not the ones that you want to get rid of. Okay girl, okay. If y'all permed your hair before, you know what I'm talking about. But you know, like when you're Jamaican say cream your hair, but when you're perming, I don't know the right word. Whenever you're creaming your hair, you base the hair, right? So this is you basting your eyebrows so that you don't burn off what you want to keep. If you got any excess on the parts that you want to keep, just wipe it off with the same Q-tip. Now for the part y'all all been waiting for, to put on the Nair, just go around your eyebrows like you normally put on concealer. And for those of you out there that don't know how to put on concealer, it's basically just going around your eyebrow and giving it the desired arch and shape that you would like. Any of the Nair that you get on your eyebrow, just make sure you clean it off with the clean end of your Q-tip to make sure that part does not come off, even though you put on the Vaseline. Just extra precautionary measures, okay? You need to use the excess and put that over it. I'm a hairy person. Don't judge me for cleaning off my beard and my mustache. Just check the back of your bottle, see how long you need to keep this on your face, and then by the time that with a wet cloth. So I'll be back when I'm taking all this off. I don't know if you can see it, but the hairs are starting to like curl. That's how you know it's ready to come off. So just wipe, even though like it's not gonna really do anything. Just try to stay away from the eyebrow when you're wiping to not get anything like caught up in it. If y'all made it to this point in the video, make sure y'all do me a favor and go down in the comment section and comment a cherry just so I know that y'all miss me still, okay? Y'all see that? Y'all see how my eyebrows ain't so bushy no more? Goddamn. For those stubborn little hairs, just go over it with a tweezer and it should be good. Look, I'm done right now. I'm not. When all that's done, just make sure you go in with a cleanser and wash off the excess chemical residue that's left around on your skin. Okay, so basically after you've done all the washing and stuff, it's basically a normal facial routine. So I myself use some witch hazel. You don't have to use it, but because I like my skin feeling how you feel when you have witch hazel. Like if you have it on your skin, you know how it feels, but like you don't need it. What you do need is something soothing for your skin. Either coconut oil or some cocoa butter. I'm gonna use both. Eyebrows are done. Yes, sis. Slay 'em. Your eyebrows are done. And your face is nice and moisturized. You're welcome. But anyways, thank you for watching my video once again. And if you liked it, hit the like button down below. If you want to see more of me, hit the subscribe button and then click the bell beside it so you know when I do post. And share to your friends and comment down below and tell me how you liked it and some advice how I can change how I do my videos and whatever. But anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.